Hana Bank has made a major move in South Korea's cryptocurrency landscape by investing $670 million in Dunamu, the company that owns Upbit exchange. This acquisition places Hana among Dunamu's largest shareholders and signals a shift in how traditional banks are approaching digital assets. The investment involves 2.28 million shares, valued at 1.003 trillion Korean won, and will give Hana a 6.55% stake in the company once the transaction closes on June 15. The move is not just about financial stakes, it's a strategic step in a broader digital asset expansion. Hana's rationale is clear: to improve competitiveness in a rapidly evolving financial industry. The bank is using just 2.78% of its total equity for the purchase, a calculated risk that reflects confidence in the long-term growth of digital assets. Meanwhile, Kakao Investments is reducing its Dunamu holdings, selling shares to Hana, and retaining a 4.03% stake. This shift highlights a broader trend. Traditional financial institutions are positioning themselves ahead of wider crypto adoption in the country. Hana's investment comes amid a regulatory environment in South Korea that is finalizing comprehensive rules for the crypto industry. As these rules take shape, banks like Hana are preparing to play a more active role in the digital asset ecosystem. The move also intensifies competition between traditional banks and crypto-native firms. Upbit remains the dominant trading platform in South Korea, and Hana's stake in Dunamu could strengthen its position in the market. The bank is not just. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Investing in a company, it's investing in the future of financial services. This acquisition is one of the largest direct investments by a South Korean financial institution into a crypto-related business. The implications are significant. As banks enter the crypto space, they bring capital, infrastructure, and regulatory expertise that can shape the industry's trajectory. Hana's investment is a signal that crypto is moving from the fringes of finance to the mainstream. The next signal to watch is how other banks and financial institutions respond. Will they follow Hana's lead and invest in crypto platforms, or will they take a more cautious approach? The answer could determine the pace of crypto adoption in South Korea and beyond. The transaction also raises questions about the balance of power in the crypto market. Dunamu's ownership of Upbit gives it a dominant position in trading, and Hana's stake could influence how the platform operates in the future. Will the bank push for more institutional-friendly policies, or will it maintain the platform's current user-centric approach? These questions will become clearer as the investment closes and Hana becomes a major shareholder. In the meantime, the broader crypto banking landscape is evolving. Other financial institutions are also exploring partnerships and investments in crypto-related businesses. This trend suggests that crypto is becoming an accepted part of the financial ecosystem. Hana's move is not just a one-off investment, it's part of a larger shift in how banks are thinking about digital assets. The next signal will be whether regulators approve the transaction and how the market reacts to Hana's increased presence in the crypto space. If the investment is seen as a success, it could encourage other banks to follow suit. If not, it could signal caution in the sector. Either way, Hana's investment is a major development in the crypto banking space and a sign that traditional financial institutions are taking crypto seriously. Hana Financial Group has steadily increased its exposure to crypto through multiple partnerships and strategic moves. This investment in Dunamu is a continuation of that strategy, aiming to solidify its position as a leader in digital asset banking. The stakes are high, with South Korea's crypto market growing rapidly and regulatory clarity on. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. The horizon. Hana's decision to use only a small portion of its equity for the investment suggests a belief in the scalability and long-term viability of the crypto sector. At the same time, the reduction of Kakao's stake indicates a strategic realignment in how major players are handling their exposure to crypto assets. As Hana Bank moves forward with its stake in Dunamu, the market will be watching closely for signs of how this partnership will influence Upbit's operations, regulatory compliance, and overall market strategy. The broader question remains: how will traditional banks like Hana balance their roles as regulators, investors, and service providers in the crypto banking space? The answers may shape the future of finance in South Korea and beyond.